In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a dashboard UI in Figma. We'll begin by grabbing a high-quality template, move it into Figma, and then tailor it so it looks and works exactly the way you want. Start by opening your browser and going to the Figma website. On the homepage, head to the Community section. In the search bar, type the kind of dashboard you're interested in. I'll use Flight Dashboard as the example, but you can search for any style or industry that suits your project. Take a moment to browse the results and open a few previews. You're looking for a layout with clear navigation, modular cards, and chart sections that match your needs. Check the description for what's included and make sure the template provides the assets you want. When you've found the right one, select the template and click the option to open it in Figma. If you're prompted to connect or authorize, go ahead and confirm. The file will load in your Figma account, and you'll see the frames, components, and styles on the canvas. If the template imports as a single page with multiple frames, that's normal. It keeps everything organized. Once the template is open in Figma, feel free to customize everything. Start by renaming the file and, if you like, duplicate the original page so you have a safe backup. Then set your foundation, define brand colors, typography, and spacing. Create color styles for primary, secondary, background, and text, so changes stay consistent everywhere. Do the same with text styles for headings and body copy to keep hierarchy clear. Next, update the main structure. Edit the sidebar and top bar to reflect your sections, rename menu items, and replace the logo or icon set with your own. For cards and widgets, swap placeholder text for real labels, adjust numbers and units, and align chart titles with your metrics. If the template uses auto layout, maintain that structure so spacing adapts automatically as you add content. Use constraints on charts and tables so they resize predictably when you change the frame width. Replace sample images with ones that fit your brand and ensure color contrast is accessible for key text and data points. Keep elements aligned to a layout grid for a polished, professional feel. As you refine, zoom out periodically to check overall balance and tidy up layer names for easy collaboration. When everything matches your brand and goals, review the flows and interactions in Figma's preview to make sure the dashboard reads clearly at a glance. That's it, your customized dashboard UI is ready.